Now we are going to learn how to calculate sum of n terms of an AP. Now first of all, why there is a need to learn the formula, or like need to know the formula for sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. Okay, so for example, I tell you like natural numbers are like from 1 to 100, right? From 1 till 100, and I am telling you what will be the addition of all these. So it will be basically what 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on. This will go, right? So you should never lose hope, but after some or the other time answer will definitely come, but it will require a lot amount of time, right? But this same thing has a cure, and the cure is the formula which is being given to us by arithmetic progression, and the formula is like Sn. So basically Sn is nothing but sum of n terms. Why n terms? Because we don't know how many terms. For particular case we can take 100, 200, or in general case n. Later on we can define 1000 terms or whatever n is. So Sn is equals to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into difference. Oh my god sir, looks so terrible and I didn't got anything. Okay, I will explain that. It's very simple. So Sn is, as I told you, sum of n numbers of an AP, not natural, not always natural. It can be natural, but not always natural. So basically this is for arithmetic progression. So numbers in arithmetic progression, and their sum we are going to take. N is number of terms. So whatever will be defined in the question, that many terms the sum we will have to take. A. So basically A is nothing but the first term of the arithmetic progression. N, this n and this n both are one and the same. One is number here, digit here. And difference is the normal, the difference which we were taking in the previous videos. That's the same normal difference. So we will start with the basic question here, and the basic question is like 4, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. If we are planning to calculate what will be the sum of 100 terms, that is S100, what will be the value of that? So let us try to calculate this out. So here we have what? A is nothing but 2. Difference will be what? Obviously we are aware that it is increasing by 2. So difference here will be 2. N is nothing but 100, as in question only they have said is to find the sum of 100 terms. So S100 is expected from us. Okay. So we'll put all these values in the formula here. So N is nothing but 100 here. N by 2. So N is basically 100. So put N is equal to 100 here. After that 2 into A. So A is nothing but here 2 plus N minus 1. N minus 1. So 100 minus 1. And difference we have got is 2. So they put difference as 2 here. Okay. So 100 by 2 is 50. 2 2s are 4. And this will be what? 99 into 50 plus 4. 9 2s are 18. Carry 1. 18 plus 1. 19. 198. 50. 198 plus 2 is 200 plus 2 is 202. 202 into 50 we'll have to do it. So I'll write it here out. So hopefully so that you all can see it. So it will be what? 0 already it will be there. 5 2s is 10. Carry 1. 5 0s is 0. And 1 will remain here, and 5 2s is again 10. So what will be the sum? Sum of 100 numbers of this series will be 10100. So hope you have got the explanation to this particular problem, and today we have learned something new, that is Sn is equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into difference. So I will try to explain what exactly this formula is over here, or how can we modify this. So hopefully you might have copied this particular thing. If you have not copied it, so please pause the video and copy it, and after that come back. So here we can modify the formula in this particular form as well. So this is basically n by 2. After this we have this 2a. So 2a can be definitely written as a plus a and n minus 1 into difference. Okay. Now see this circular part. A plus n minus 1 into difference is nothing but the formula of an, sum of n terms. So this is a as it is, and the circular part can be written as an. Okay, so a is nothing but here a1. So the formula for Sn can also be written as n by 2, first term plus last term. Okay, so CBSE students are going to refer to this particular formula. If it is coming to state board, so we will write it as n by 2, first term, last term they call it as L. So it doesn't make a difference, n or an, as far as the same. So hopefully you got this. Thank you so much.